So agree ka na dito sa Subic, yung course na may pinakamagagandang caddies? Dito, agree ka?
Today's video is gonna be a bit different. I'm heading over to Subic International Golf Club. At SIGC, they take pride in their caddies. Not only are they supposed to be the prettiest in the Philippines, but are very skilled as well.
Kapag doon ka lang pupunta sa unang side ng bunker, 100 lang.
So we are gonna test that out. I'll be letting my caddy line all our putts.
Left to right, 1.5 cup. Lan, pumasok po.
And if we break 90, she gets a bonus.
Go in.
Yes.
Nice birdie!
Thank you. If not, well, hey, at least we enjoyed.
Yan, galing.
Ay, naku.
Galing. Ayos.
So, let's get it started. Good morning, guys. I am back. It's currently 3:55 a.m. and I am headed to Subic International Golf Club. They say this golf course is known for having the prettiest caddies in the Philippines. Well, you guys be the judge of that, because I am happily married. Oh, by the way, I did check my handicap on this course. It says that I am an 18. So I'm gonna play it as I am an 18 handicap. So 18, that's shooting 90. But still, I'm gonna try to break 90, guys. Maybe I'll try to shoot. I'll aim for 87. I do have goals today. If my caddy helps me to break 90, she will get a bonus from me. Maybe 500 pesos? 500 peso bonus? I think that's not too bad. So when I get there, I'm probably gonna go to the range first because it's been a while. Well, the last time I played, you guys saw I was at Veterans. I wasn't hitting it quite well. So I'm gonna try to go to the range and just hit some balls, see where my ball flight is for today. So yeah, see you guys there. Guys, we have made it. Now I am just gonna drop my bag and then go to the registers and register. Alright. That. Okay, I think I'm one of the first ones to arrive. I don't know where to park the car though. Alright, finally! After 2.5 hours of driving, I am finally here. Oh my gosh, alright, I'm gonna go register and then I'm probably gonna go to the range. And then I'll see you guys on the course.
Morning. Yes, friend. Cortez. Thank you. Okay, guys, it is 20 minutes to 8. We are teeing off at 8. I'm just at the range right now. Pretty hot though today. Alright, see you guys on the course. I-vlog natin, sir. May space naman daw dun. Okay. Alright. Okay, first hole, par 5, 460. Parang wow, it's into the wind. Doon din ako napunta.
Baka magkasama tayo.
Oo nga po.
Surprise na yan.
Nako, sana okay. Okay, first hole, I just took a drop. My ball was nowhere to be seen. 170 para tumawid. Parang di ako niniwala sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung tatawid. Nakabig ko. Oh. Tawid sa ano eh, nakabig ko lang. Wow, 2 drop sa first hole ah. Ikaw yung may kasalanan nun. Alright, second drop on the first hole. I should have just laid up. I didn't know what the course layout was. So,
48.
okay. 48. Dropping here. 80 yards. Wow! Sit! Bite! Whew! Grabe ah. Sama nung first hole ah. Oo nga sir. It's okay though. So that's for bogey. Because I was playing 5 here. That's for bogey. Okay. I am fine with a double. And Sir Roy is playing for a bird. Okay lang. Buti yung first ball mo safe. Ako nakadalawang drop na. Oo nga po eh. Kaya nga. Oo nga, masyadong risky yung mga ginagawa ko. Dapat play safe na lang ako eh. Nice. Nice chip. Alright. I'm right here playing for bogey. Bilis yan, no?
Mabilis.
Playing 6 na ako. Grabe. Okay. Papasok ko. Ano? Sayang. Thanks. Pa 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Okay, left inside ka. Sige.
Go, go,
Uy! Kulang ako. Triple on the first. Wow. Good putt. Grabe naman. Par? Bogey. Okay lang. Nice one. Nice one. Anong aim ko?
Yung aim natin sir, yung left ng orange tree.
Okay.
Okay. So, the first bunker. Before the first bunker.
Alright. Okay, second hole, par 5. Again. Baka mag-aim na lang ako ng left pa nun kasi ano ba yun? May space ba tayo sa right?
Wala sir, cart path
Wala.
yan.
O, yun na nga eh.
Crosswind to the right. Left to right wind.
Ganun ba? Okay.
Oh, that's
Grabe. Nag-left
Down.
naman. Please. Ayun.
okay.
Nice. Game ako ng left, hindi nag-cut. Parang galit yung course na to sa akin, An.
Baka ikaw yung galit sir.
Sa'yo.
First hole pa lang to, galit ka na kaagad. Sige.
Eh, hirap nito ah. Baka lilayap na lang pala ako. Kasi tatama ako eh. Oh.
Oo, doon na lang. Layap ka na lang, 60. 60 lang.
Ugat pa pala yun oh.
Gulong ko na lang. Okay.
May ugat. Okay. Sobrang struggle ah. From there, ilan pa yan, An?
150 pa yan sir.
150, ah. Okay. Siguro naman kaya na natin yan.
Shortcut or not.
Okay.
Ito kaya mo naman yan, kaso lang may puno.
Saan ba yung green? Ah, yun!
Ayun, sir, oh.
Okay. Kala ko doon. Kala ko ibang hole yun.
Kaya
Okay.
dito ko ito pinapaim para mag-overtake kanina.
Ganun ba? Ako, Delix to ah. Siguradong tatamaan ko yan.
Doon na lang, sir.
Sa right,
Pag ganun.
150 pa rin.
150. Hindi. Kapag doon ka lang pupunta sa unang side ng bunker, 100 lang.
100. Sige, pitching na lang.
Sige.
Alright. Wow. What a bad start.
Target natin
Eto, yung
first
red?
bunker.
Ayun.
Oo.
Okay. Okay. 100 yards, light P.
Good shot. Down. Like a good girl.
Ano, sakto
Nice
lang
shot.
naman, di ba?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
70 yards. Alright, I have 70-yard shot.
Go.
Sit, bite. Bite. Ah, sayang. Right lang siya sa akin. Pero okay lang. 4 on. 2 putts lang natin. 2 putts. Ayan, kaya natin yun. Alright. I have this putt for par.
Oh, nice one.
Bilis.
Definitely right. Right to left.
Right to left. 2 cups.
Right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Anong speed mo? Regular lang yan? Parang uphill
Regular
tayo eh, no?
Medyo uphill pero yung grass naman.
Okay, so 9 na firm na lang. 2 cups.
What do you think, sir?
Sige, okay ako dun.
Ayun.
Kulang.
Okay, patro. Uy!
May bali pa pala yun. Double pa tayo. Yun. Nice shot. Hole in one mo na. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. So palong 160 nga, sir. Okay. Target na sa pinan.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Next hole, I'm
Nakaraang tournament
160 yards, island green. Par 3.
Go!
Parang manipis eh. Go!
Go!
Go, go, go!
Edge.
Ay, nako.
Good job for your time.
Thank you.
Good shot.
Thank you. Thanks. Kinabahan ako eh. Ang sama ng contact eh.
Oo eh. Kala ko masya-short. Buti na lang.
Oo nga eh. Nakakaano sa mental eh. Woo!
Kala ko masya-short.
Kala ko rin. Isisisina naman sana
Ay.
kitaan eh.
Sir, pattern na.
Okay. Pattern na. Parang wala kang tiwala sa akin.
Magsi-chip pa tayo, sir.
Oh! Ang taas pa niyan eh. Oh, I have this chip for bird. I thought I wasn't gonna get on. But, here we are. Right to left.
Yes.
Go, 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 go! Oh! Nag-bite! Magro-roll dapat yun eh. Oh no! It's still me. Ikaw nga, Ann. Baka maganda yung read mo. Yung line mo pala. Bird, bird! Ah!
Short.
Okay, for the cap. Nice one! Oh, may cap ka na agad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Left to right, sir.
Okay. 8.
Okay. Medium slow lang.
Okay, so mga 9. par natin to.
Ay, mahina. Mahina.
Woo! Okay. Bogey.
Yan.
Thank you, thank you. Nice par, sir. Pero ganun yun, at least nag-evolve na tayo. Galing triple, naging
Bogey na
double, bogey na lang. Susunod, par na yan.
Countdown pala yan.
Nag-i-improve. May progression. Tapos birdie na. Malay mo, makahulin one pa. Alright, so next hole is a par 4. We are at hole number 16, 392 yards. I am 6 over through 3. Embarrassing. Nice shot. Okay, just one good one.
Nice shot. Down.
Shotgun.
Thank you.
Stay.
Sit.
Oh!
Parang
Malibog.
safe ba?
Let's tingnan natin.
Parang
Malibog pa harap. Ano ba yan? Ang ganda na.
parang parang hindi ako dun dapat pala hybrid lang.
Ano ba yan?
Sana nga eh.
Sobra eh.
Na solid eh.
Sobra sir. Kita ko.
Tingin mo, drop tayo. Okay,
Minsan.
200 yards.
Against.
Ayun lang. Kaya naman pala tayo hindi umabot eh. Teka, baka mag-cut eh.
Ano ba yan sir? Pamalo mo.
5 woods.
Go. Nice shot. Down.
Go! Please, go! Right! Shit, bunker pa yata.
Hindi yan. Kate.
Pa?
Ano bang bunker dun eh? Nag-over.
Nag-over ba? O di okay, kung nag-over, di nasa green na tayo. Tama?
Yep. Approach.
Sabi sa'yo, aabot eh.
Galing. Idol. Buti nga, hindi tayo na bunker eh. Short. Anong gusto mo sir?
Gusto ko
Short
nga
o
bunker eh. 50 yards. Ball below my feet. I just need to sit. Uy!
Uy.
Shit, chunky! Go!
Uy,
Ano ba yan?
sir.
Ang lapit-lapit na eh.
Sige na, ako na may mali.
Oo, ikaw ulit. Hanggat sa umokay na, ikaw palagi.
Sige.
Okay. Jesus. I just need to stick this one close.
Go. Nice.
Nag-check. It's okay. Alright, I can get that for bogey. Playing 5 na tayo, no?
Yes.
Okay, Roy is putting for birdie. No, putting for par. Good putt.
Laki. Right to left tayo, sir. 1 cup. Uphill.
Huh?
Medium slope.
Okay.
In. Nice
Okay.
in. Nice.
Thank
Ganda.
you. Thank you. Kaming
Tayo, sir.
Ha? Saan ba tayo?
Ayun.
Okay. Alright, so ano na ba ako? 7 through 4. Kailangan natin ng par. Alright, next hole, par 3. Naku, bunker yan.
Oh. Over.
Ooh!
Right.
Pangit yung kuha eh.
Kailangan ko.
Hindi ko makuha yung feel ko.
Sabi mo
Dito
kasi gusto mo mag-swimming eh. Yan
Oo nga,
tuloy,
nag-beach
pinapunta ka
tuloy tayo.
saan.
Si Ann kasi. Wow, nice shot.
Patong, nice
Nice
one.
shot. Single handicap ka rin ata, sir. Tama ako? Mga 10. 10 siguro.
Yan, okay pa.
Ha, talaga? Parang hindi ako naniniwala. Pang Boracay, yung 56. Matigas ba yung ano dito, bunker? Hindi ko malam.
Kasi may init.
Okay. Okay. Malay mo ma-shoot. Kailangan ako ng reset. Ang pangit ng feel ng swing. Okay. I'm in the bunker. Bakit mukhang matigas yung bunker na yan? Asan bola ko? Ah, yun. Wow. Okay.
Good lie.
Parang mahirap tong shot na to.
Kaya mo yan, sir.
Sama pa ng layo. Okay. Uy, malambot nga.
Chip ka medyo right from the pin.
Okay.
Nice out. Go.
Birdie, go please.
Go, go, go.
Thank you.
Nice out.
Thank you.
Can finally par.
Ano, kaya mo ba? Hindi.
Hindi magre-rake ako sa'yo.
Ah, okay.
Kaya bibigay ko na yung putters.
Okay. Sige, akin na rin yan. Thanks. Whew! Kaya pa yan for par. Okay. Alright. I can make that for par, I think. Okay. Roy for birdie. Go, 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 go. Good putt.
Right to left, half ball.
Right to left.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Half ball, regular speed.
Okay. Let's save the bar.
In. Nice
Yes.
in.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yay.
Ayan na.
Nice,
Ayan
nice.
na, ayan na.
We got putt.
Thanks.
Par.
Si Ann yun, sir.
Ay, galing. Walang kasalanan ngayon.
Oo. Bumabawi naman ako kahit pa paano.
Galing nga, pababa nga tayo. Baka next time tayo mag-break.
Good
Nice
putt.
in.
Good putt. Okay. Shot.
Good shot.
Wow. Nice shot.
I'll take it.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Okay. Probably gonna aim at the left edge of the left bunker.
Against.
And then just let it cut.
Go. Nice. Nice shot.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay.
Hindi sir, mas malayo ka pa yata eh. Spinny yung bola ko eh. Yung
Ganda.
spinny yung mga shots ko eh. Kaya hindi malakas eh. Okay. Okay. Ilang yards tayo, Ann?
150. 140 pala.
140.
Front pin.
140.
Crosswind
Crosswind.
to the left. To the left.
Parang against pa.
Ayaw maniwala eh. Oh,
Shit, nakabig ko. Sit. Okay.
Before.
Oo.
Safe
Okay,
lang.
sana yung kuha eh. Okay, hirap nito.
30 yards. Front pin.
Ilan? 30?
Mm.
30?
I give you 56. Okay, 25 to 30. Front pin.
Alright, I have 25 yards to the pin. Walang gagawin ko. Anong green, Ann? Left to right, right to left?
Left. Left
Ha?
to right.
Left to right? Alright, left to right. Hoy!
Ano ba yan?
Konti na lang eh. Oh no! Di ako naniwala sa'yo sa 25. Akala ko mas short pa eh.
Salanan mo yan.
Bale. Ito. Ano, pot ko na ba yan?
Water pa na to.
Sure ka? Parang gusto ko i-chip eh.
Pabala. Pag
Pero-
water mo to, left to right, ako 1 cup.
Left to right.
Uphill.
Sige na nga,
Medyo
papat ko na nga. 1. Nasira? O yung ano, nasira nga. Pahawak na lang. Talagang bumigay na yung ano ko, tripod. May bago ka ng trabaho, An.
Tragis.
Videographer ka na. 8. Ay shit, kulang bigay ko. Tap in lang ako, sir. Uy! Wow! May brake pa pala yun. Double.
Wala ko yun.
Nag-double pa tayo, An.
Ako sa'yo, sir.
So ano na ako? 9 over na ako. Nice shot.
Shot. Go.
Okay. O, An. Wala ka nang gagawin dyan. Steady mo lang, An, ha? Alright.
Lagi.
7th hole. I am 9 over. Par 4.
Ay. Down. Okay, safe.
Okay.
Before bunker.
Okay. Kala ko abot eh. Buti na lang hindi. Alright.
Ano ko mag-uubi eh. Buti na lang.
Buti na lang. Okay.
Nga pala.
We have about 200 yards.
200 yards. One.
Just straight ahead.
Okay.
Wait, saan ang aim ko?
Dito sir sa... Dito, di ba yung bundok? Pinakamataas ng bunker. Dito sa right niyan.
Okay. So yung puno na yun. Pwede?
Sir, pwede.
Okay.
Okay, good shot. Nice.
Thank you. Siguro naman
Okay.
pumatong yun. Pumatong? Wala. Ayaw na sabihin kung pumatong. Parang hindi. Short na naman oh. Munting kung hindi na lang sa sige pa na naman. Sila ba? Saan sila? Okay, kaya natin i-playing birdie na. Kaya natin i-par. Bawi tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 par tayo.
20 yards.
Okay, 20 yards eh. Ayan ka na naman eh. 20 yards.
Hindi, di wag ka maniwala.
Papaniwalaan ko na ba yun?
20 nga.
20 yards. Ay, wait, siya pa eh.
Slightly uphill.
Okay.
Magpa-park na talaga ako.
Sige,
Daming
park mo na.
extracurricular
Hindi, wag.
job.
Wag.
Ito, siya.
Summer job ka naman eh. So, dun sa ball niya, pwede?
Oo.
Lapit ka pa kontian.
Demanding naman ng ano na to.
Alright. 20 yards.
Go up.
Uy!
Eh.
Yung sa akin hindi umakyat. Sakit naman nun.
Ano yun, sir?
Bad trip. Crap. Alright, so I have 12 feet for par. For par na tayo, no? Tama ba?
Pating par.
Okay, sige.
Payo.
Uy! Short pa rin.
Okay. Buti.
Oo nga eh, dapat nilakasan ko. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Sit. Double na naman. $150 kasama wind. Against, kasama na yun. Shit, baka sobra to, An.
Kaya mo yan.
Sobra to.
Ito pa. Sobra.
150,
Lagi
6
kang-
iron. Ang hina ko naman. De, easy swing na lang.
Feel it muna. You
Alright.
have all the time in the world.
Alright. 106, 50 yards.
Oh no, right. Down. Okay, safe.
Thank you. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung nangyari o pangit eh.
Pwede na. Pwede na yung nangyari.
Kasi di ako sure sa shot na gagawin ko eh. 100 yards.
Tamaan sa'yo doon.
Pero saan ba? Doon di ba?
Mm-mm.
Oh, tama ba yung mga
before.
dahon yan eh. 100 yards.
Aim mo yung puno na yun, oh.
Sige. Ano ba yung hawak mo? 100
Six.
yards against the wind. Pitching wedge na lang.
Oh,
E-wedge. Pwede na, di ba?
ah.
Kakat ko na lang. Uy, laka! Sit!
Oh,
Go! Wait lang, may muli ka na ako ah.
gamitin mo.
Gagamitin ko ba?
Front na.
Wag na, handicap 1 to eh. Ang tulong na magagawa ko
Para
sa'yo.
sa insurance ko ba yan, sir?
Kaya mo yan. Gusto mo, paluin ko pa dyan.
Pwede. Kaya mo.
Oo nga, para
Ay,
hindi ako
bato
mag-drop.
yan eh.
Eh kaso bato eh. Okay, Anne is getting my ball. It's playable but I'm not gonna play it. Playable yan eh.
Ano ba?
Kunin mo na rin yung isa o sayang.
Wala na, bato na yan. Sa kanila ata.
Oo nga, sa kanila nga.
Karet.
Yan, galing, galing.
Ay, nako.
Galing, galing. Ayos. So, 135.
Ano ba?
135?
Yes. Go. Ay.
Ano ba yan? Nagkakat.
Okay.
Saka short. Ano ba nangyayari? Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano nangyayari sa playing 5. Magti-triple pa ako.
35.
35. Sure na yan 35 yards.
Mahala ka. Maniniwala ka. Hindi.
56, 56.
56 ha. Backpin yan.
35.
Go.
Kumakagat talaga oh.
Okay, nice. Nice on.
Nagbabite yung shots ko. Pero okay lang. Okay, that's for double. That's for double again, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh. May ridge pala dun eh. Okay. Alright. I now have a putt for double. Galing, papasok. Oy! Good putt. Parang take na yan, sir.
Okay. Left to right. 1.5 cup.
Okay. Left, right.
Slightly uphill. So,
Oo
medyo
nga eh.
slow.
So, bigyan ko ng mga 10.
Uy, yun. Okay naman yun.
Nakakabig ko yata.
Isin.
Grabe yung game ko. Ang sama.
Nahulog ka pa dyan.
Oo.
Pareho pala. Sumobra.
Sumobra ka.
Pero pwede naman paluin. Kaya nakapagano ako.
Ah,
Punch out.
Okay ah. Buti laging playable yung bola yun, sir. Ako lagi out. Oy, ano to? Dogleg, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, this is our, what, 9th? 10th? I don't know. Par 4.
Okay, good.
Oy! Tama na. Kick left. Ayun.
Okay. Safe.
Nag-cart path. Buti na lang. Okay.
Good shot.
Thanks. Oo, maganda yung bounce eh. Okay, first time sa game natin safe ako. So kung pumunta pa yun doon, kaya na natin yun, no? Tingin mo.
Doon.
Alright. Kasalanan bakit nagkakagulit. Isipin mo, first hole, triple. Dalawa na yung triple ko. Grabe. Tapos tinulak mo pa yung tripod ko.
Ako na, sabihin mo sa mga followers mo kasalanan.
Ayaw nga pala.
Hindi kasi sabihan ba?
Oh guys, let's welcome Ann to the vlog. Magpakita ka naman, Ann.
Hello po.
Ay. Yep.
It's actually good.
Okay, so we have 110 yards. Pin is tucked away, so I'm gonna try to fade this ball. 9 na nga lang. Low fade. Low
Ang galing
fade. Saan yung 9 ko? Saan yung 9 ko? Okay. Low fade.
Ooh.
Fade! Fade! Hindi ka nag-fade! Pwede na.
Galit na siya, guys.
Kulang ng ganun eh. Kulang ng liko. Pero okay lang. Happy na ako dun. Okay. So I have a bit of room. I'm gonna land it just past the fringe. Mabilis ba yun
Go
dun?
left to right.
Oo nga eh.
Pag na-over mo sa...
Sa fringe. Wait nga.
Left to right, half putter.
Okay.
Putter. Sa fringe yung bagsak.
Okay. Isang magandang chip lang.
Nice.
Sit.
Okay, nice on.
Kulang lang sa left. Sayang. Thank you. O, take na raw. An. Kunin mo na. Takbuhin mo na. Kunin mo na. Baka ipat ko pa yan eh.
Thank
Pamintis
you po.
pa. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, An. Par.
Par. Nice.
Okay. Sir Rory gave me the putt. So, that's a par for me finally. Wow, ganda. In. Oy! Good putt. Sayang. Nice putt. Nice putt. Alright, so I'm still 14 over through I don't know how many holes. Just gonna try to enjoy this round. It's a beautiful course. Okay.
Ayun mo yung, ayun na yung naglalakad dun sa left ng mga puno. Naka-pink.
Naglalakad sa left ng mga puno. Okay.
Left.
Okay, sige. I don't know what hole we are. Hole number 4 of the front, but I don't know how many holes we've played. Par 4, just straight ahead.
Good shot.
Okay.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yay.
After 10 holes.
Parang diesel.
Okay. 50 yards. Nasa divot ako eh.
Front pin lang
50 yards. Kakagatuan.
Go. Nice. Nice on.
Ang lakas naman ng bite. Malayo eh. Parang 40 yards lang yung nagawa ko eh. Bale, okay lang. Siguro naman, Ann, mapapar mo na to.
Sige. Watch.
Siguro naman. Okay, we are on in 2. Maybe I can sneak a birdie in there. Hopefully. I'm gonna let Ann read the putt. And then we're gonna go from there. Okay.
Ay, ito yung birdie. Pre.
Ann, karirin mo na yung pagbasa mo. Birdie natin to. Kaya nga po eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mabawi man lang yung 2 triple. Woohoo! Take it. Okay. For Z-Bird. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano, Ann?
Right half ball.
Right?
Right edge pa.
Okay. Confident ka dun? Okay.
Let's go. Go in.
Yes.
Nice birdie!
Thank you. Nabawi nga.
Yay!
Thank you. Ano, Ann?
Nice.
Ayos.
May birdie din. May negative din doon.
Oo. Ayos ah.
Puro over.
Kaya nga eh, grabe. Nice shot.
Nice.
Kick right.
Okay.
Okay, nice shot. Hole number 5 on the front. Still 14. No, 13. Ay, nag-cut.
Down. Okay, safe. Nice shot. Okay.
Uy, gulong mo pa.
Nice.
Ah, sayang. Nag-cut kasi. Oo nga eh. Sayang.
Para naman.
Okay.
Sa gitna tayo.
Alam mo, ikaw yung malas. Feeling ko.
Ragis.
Okay. Uy, downwind oh. Katawin ko kaya. Ah. Pinanggigilan ko. Sayang yung drive ko.
Kanina ka.
Bakit kasi pinanggigilan mo?
Cute siya eh. 5 woods na eh, sir.
Oh, 5 wood. Kaya na to, 200 yards. Isang solid lang. Kaso nang wala yung wind. Alright, I have 200 yards.
210 to.
210 yards.
Yes, sir.
Just straight ahead.
Go!
Dapat ganun yung kaninaan eh.
Patong.
Short, sobra.
Sobra. Short. But good shot. Ganda na.
Ah, dito pala eh. Kaya pala. Hindi siya sa gitna. Okay. Okay lang.
Kaya ako mapit sa hard side. Ay, hindi yun. Mga 40 yards kasi ito eh. 40 yards. Okay. Parang shot ko lang kanina. Doon sa binerdy natin. So, sakto nga lang, left to right. Okay. Yep, 56.
Gusto ko tong shot na to.
Sige. Ayusin mo yan.
Ay, ako ba?
Ikaw.
Ay, oo, ayun pala.
Oo nga, sir. Grabe na
Oo.
to.
Tinula kasi niya, sir, kanina eh. Kaya. Kick right! Uy, sobra!
Okay.
Kala ko ba 40? An?
Salanan ko na naman. Kitang-kita ka ng mga subscriber. Minabash mo ako.
Parang ano lang yun ah.
40 yan.
4 par na yun. Downhill ba tayo?
Yes. Against the grass. So, regular lang.
Oh, so
Hindi siya
regular.
ganun kabilis.
Ha?
Hindi siya ganun kabilis eh.
Okay.
Oops. Pababa.
Kaya mo yan.
Parang hindi. Wait lang. Kailangan pumasok to.
Hmm?
Sige. Go.
Bakit kasi ang lakas ng
Right
ship
to
ko?
left. Right to left tayo. Tapos
Right to left.
downhill.
Okay. Alright. Downhill ah.
Yes,
Pero
sir,
sabi
medyo
mo
fast.
regular speed.
Oo.
Tama ba?
Hindi siya ganun kabilis kasi yung grass eh.
Okay.
Ay! Ayun. Layo.
Di nag-break ah. Ana. For the bogey. Safe bogey natin to, Ann. Ano?
Inside tayo kasi walang bali.
Okay, sige. Pasok. Take it.
Tik.
Good putt.
Nice eh.
Kala ko magbe-break siya sa right eh. Nice putt, nice putt.
Okay.
Nice read. Okay. Bogey. Okay. Next hole. Oo nga. Bakit hindi siya mukhang ano? Hindi siya mukhang 170 yards. Mukha siyang malayo. Depth perception lang ba yun? O talagang malayo siya? 180. Ah, 180. Baka mag-hybrid na lang ako. Hybrid na lang.
Hybrid tayo.
Nice shot. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Oh, go,
Nice,
go, go, go.
Ay.
Ay, ang ganda ng line eh. Okay. So sakto nga no. Buti pala nag-club up tayo. Huwag lang ako ma-behind sana. Depende na lang yung kay Ann eh.
Ano naman?
Okay, 180 yards. Hybrid. Uy, shit, nag-cut.
Ay, cart path.
Sama ano na. Nag-cart path pa. Pero okay lang, at least safe.
Thank you.
Okay. Kumanan eh.
Pero may shot naman ata. So, yan, kaya na tinipigit yan. Sobra lang. Tama. Pero sakto nga lang talaga yung distance. Ako, flop shot tayo. Wow.
Kaya mo yan.
Oo naman.
Ha?
Oh.
Ikaw ba sa cart?
Ako bahala.
Oo, doon ako.
Oh, dun, sa green ka na. Ako nang bahala sa cart. Tapos turo mo rin sa akin kung saan ako
Sige.
magpapaland. Very, very tough shot.
Nice on.
I think it's about 50 yards. John? Mga ilang yards?
50.
Ilang yards?
Pagbagsak mo dito, 30.
30? Okay. 30 yards. Alright. I think that's good. Okay. Nice. Alright. Let's go. Okay, I think I hit my mark and target. So, alright, we are putting for par. Okay, this is for par. Ano
Right
speed mo?
to left.
Right to left,
Half
regular.
ball lang tayo, regular pot.
Okay. Alright, for the par. 7.
Uy,
Uy! Uy, 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 uy! Shit! Kulang.
saan tumama? Ayun, okay.
Okay. Bogey.
Saan tumama ang bola natin?
Diyan.
Nga pala.
Boat 7. Ito yung sinasabi mong
The par 5.
par 5 to?
Yes.
Ito yung sinasabi mong kailangan ko mang muligan.
Kaya sabi ko, isave mo yung mulligan mo for this hole.
Oo, kasi madalas wala kang tiwala eh.
Puno na yan. Ay, yung nasa harap ng greenhouse. Okay, your aim.
Hindi ko nakikita yung sinasabi mo.
Ayan, oh sir. Di ba yung
yun.
green na yun? Yung tapat na puno na yun. Yun. Somewhere align that.
Okay.
Ang aim.
Sige.
Dogleg left, sir, ha?
Hole number 7, I'm gonna aim at that tree aligned with the shed. Oh shit! Tama ka nga. Kailangan ko nga ng muligan. Okay, one more. Yun, kana naman.
Ay,
Ano? Parang 50-50 ah.
wala.
Nawala?
Wala.
Nawala? Shit! Sobrang left yung isa, tapos sobrang left yung... Kala ko ba birdie natin to? Okay. Ito drop. Shit!
Nag-kick. Safe.
Wala na. Papahinga na yung swing ko. Okay. 140. Using a 7. Grabing init.
Alright.
Wow, kumakanan na talaga.
Okay, bunker. Kaya pa today.
Grabe yung trash. So I'm playing 5 here now. Probably gonna make another double. So I'm 13 or I think 15 over now. 15 over. With 6 or 7 more holes to go. So yeah, I'm in the bunker. I think it's a plug lie as well. Okay. Let's just get this up and down.
Fred coming in from the bunker shot. Let's go.
Ohoy! Kulang!
Ayan. Oh.
Playing ano na yan? Double?
Oo, playing double.
Wow! Akala ko ba birdie natin to?
Okay. Right edge tayo, sir.
Okay.
Regular speed. In.
Ah! Ayaw. Oo nga eh. Hindi pa pumasok. Another triple.
Lagay ka na naman ng tres. Basta.
18 over na ako. Grabe. Pasok. Uy! Good putt. Grabe.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Safe naman, safe.
Ano nangyayari? Guys, well, you can see my swing is not here today. It didn't even show up. It only showed up a couple of swings. Okay, I have this chip forward. It's gonna go right to left. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, uy. Sayang.
Oh.
Left edge, sir. Medium fast. Ay, mali agad. Ugi.
Bogey.
Nice.
shot.
Okay, good. Good shot. Okay, good shot. Down. Okay, na shot. Nice shot. Patong mo. Ay, short pa rin.
Ito eh. Pangit na nga contact mo eh. Kainis.
Maganda kong drive yung sa birdie natin. Yun lang. Ang gusto kong swing. The rest wala pa. Siguro 140 yards, short pa ako sa 7 iron. What?
Left to right.
Yes.
Kala ko right to left.
Nice. Go. Go, 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 go.
Kulang ang field.
3 on.
Wow, good roll.
Oh, in. Nice in.
Nice spot.
Slightly uphill. In. Eh. Left edge. Right edge. Right. Okay. Okay.
Sayang masyado sa uphill ko. Nice shot.
Okay. Good shot.
Nice shot.
Okay. Yan. Sa right side. Okay. Nice shot. Ay, down. Okay, safe. Patong. Okay, nice one. Nice one. Nice. Good.
Alright. Have another opportunity for a bird. Let's see if we can make it. I'm just gonna try to. Right now I'm 92. Current score. Wow! Good putt. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Okay. Ano?
Left 3 at 1 cup. Regular putt.
Okay. Left to right. Uy, go. Woohoo, short. Short, bigyan pa kita ng read, sir. Left to right pa rin.
Sige, inside, sir.
Inside.
Okay,
Okay.
nice spot.
Ay. Uy, par yun na. Ata yun ah. Wala yun.
Yes. Nice spot niya.
Thank you.
Down. Okay, safe.
Uy, nice. Nag-video ka. Galing ah.
Diba? Mataas kasi.
Wala.
Taas nga.
Oo nga.
Tagtag ka talaga dyan.
Naka-record na yun.
Go.
70.
Go. No, tama lang. Okay, good shot. Save.
Ano
Straight to
tayo?
left. Straight to left tayo down
Right
nila.
to left.
1.5 cup.
Okay.
It's
1.5.
down. Yes. In. Nice
Okay.
in. Nice
Thank you.
par.
Thank you. Okay. Last hole. Ito bird. Sabi ko sa'yo. Ano ba ako? 20 over yata ako ngayon. So, saan tayo, Ann?
Ang target mo yung, kita mo yung parang green na building na yun sa gitna?
Oh.
Sa Aberby. Yan. Aim mo yan.
Okay.
Okay, 240.
Alright. Last hole.
Nice
Ooh,
shot.
right.
Safe yun? Okay yun?
Nice. Probably.
Tama-tama ni Forte nun ah.
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Good shot.
Thank you. Hawks. Buti na lang. Maganda yung last drive of the day. Yun. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Okay, safe.
Okay. Alright. Birdie, birdie. Di ka na naman naniniwala eh. 56. 35 sabi mo?
Yes.
Nag-roll na yan. Continue mo na lang. Ang hirap kasi pag ilaland mo sa green eh. Pwede ko i-move to, di ba?
Bakit blurred siya?
Kasi naka-ano ko. One club. Alright. Moving my ball because I was in the thing. In the... 35 yards. Oy! Wow! Ay, muli, muli. May one muli pa ako. An, pahingin bola. Ay, hindi ako na. Ito na lang. Buti pala. Oo nga. Okay. Using my last mulligan. Buti na lang, may mulligan pa ako. Saan pa yun? Okay, maybe back stance. Okay.
Nice on.
Whew.
2 on.
Good use of a mully. Okay. I have take na yan, sir.
Doing left edge.
Hindi mo na imimintis yun eh. Alright. I have 4 paces for a birdie.
Left half ball, regular putt.
Ay, ba't ko binibigay? Regular?
Yes.
Okay. 4. Thank you. Par.
Nice par.
Thank you. Hindi pa natin na bird, you know. Nice game, sir. Nice game. Good game. Thank you, thank you.
We're 92.
92. Totoo? Sabi sa'yo eh.
So, agree ka na dito sa Subic, yung course na may pinakamagagandang caddies? Dito, agree ka? Talaga. Nasa camera yan. Lalaban yung ibang courses sa'yo.
Mabash talaga ako dito.
Okay, so that wraps it up for this video. Unfortunately, I didn't bring anything home again. If only I didn't choke those tap-ins or if I didn't make any triples, if I just played safe, you know, I was going for it at every shot on the first few holes, that really killed my game, or my round rather.
And thank you again to 3 Strokes for sponsoring the video. Much love, guys. Would you guys agree that the prettiest caddies in the Philippines work here at Subic International Golf Course? Type your comments below. Alright, thank you guys for watching and see you again next week. Peace.